Hi students, let us continue with the joins, SQL joins. So in the previous videos I explained about the SQL inner join and the outer join. Now let us see different types of SQL joins. So that is I said inner join. So inner join means it returns records that have matching values in both tables. Okay, so inner join means it returns records that have matching values in both the tables. In both the tables, whatever the matching values will be there, those items will be returned in inner join. So this can be represented with, so this is one table, table 1. Suppose this is another table, table 2. Okay, these are two tables. So when I done the inner join, it returns only the items that are having the matching values in both the tables. Okay, so this is table 1, table 2. So only these items will be written. So this is inner join. So it returns records that have matching values in both the tables. Next, left outer join. Left join or left outer join you can call. So it returns all records from the left table, and the matched records from right table. So what is this left outer join is saying? So it is saying that it returns all records from the left table. So this is the left table, that is the table 1. Okay, along with the matched records in right table. So this is a right table. It returns all the records from the left table along with the matched point. So this is a matching thing. This is matching. Matching plus left records. So matching records along with the left records will be written. So this you call it as a left outer join. Now coming to the next, right outer join. What it do? It returns all records from right table and matched records from left table. Table 1, table 2. So this is left and this is right. It returns all records from right table along with the matched records in the left table. So this part is the matched records. So it returns all these records. So this is right outer join. Next is the full outer join. Full outer join means complete. It returns all records when there is a match in either left or right table. So it returns all the records that are matched in both the tables. That is full outer join. Table 1, table 2, this is full outer join. So these are about the different types of SQL joins: inner join, left outer, right outer, and full outer join. Thank you.